Hey guys, in this video we're diving into the top 5 handheld vacuums available on the market right now. Whether you're looking for something budget-friendly, pet-friendly, or packed with premium features, we've got you covered. And don't worry, I'll break down the pros and cons of each one to help you find the perfect fit. All product links are in the description below, so let's get started. At number 5, we have the BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster Quick Clean Cordless Handheld Vacuum. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, priced at just $22.37, making it an excellent choice for those who need a quick and affordable solution for small messes. Despite its low price tag, this vacuum delivers decent suction power for its size and is lightweight, which makes it easy to handle during quick cleanups. When it comes to design, it's simple and functional. The build quality reflects its budget pricing, as it's primarily made of lightweight plastic. While this means it's not the most durable on the list, it does keep the vacuum portable and easy to maneuver. The compact design is great for reaching tight spaces, like between couch cushions or under car seats. However, it lacks advanced features like multiple attachments or LED lights. The BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster is perfect for light-duty cleaning, such as crumbs on the counter or quick car cleanups. That said, don't expect it to perform well with heavier debris or pet hair. Pros include its price, portability, and ease of use, while the cons are its limited suction power and lack of advanced features. If you're on a strict budget and need something for very basic tasks, this is a solid choice. Coming in at number 4 is the Handheld Vacuum Cordless, with 14,000 PA of suction power. This vacuum packs a punch with its brushless motor and lightweight design, weighing just 1.2 pounds. It's an excellent option for those who prioritize portability without sacrificing performance. The LED light is a thoughtful addition, especially for cleaning in low-light areas like car interiors or under furniture. The design of this vacuum is sleek and modern, and its slim profile makes it easy to store when not in use. The build quality feels solid, and the inclusion of a brushless motor ensures better durability and efficiency compared to standard motors. While the product doesn't list its price, it's positioned as a mid-range option that balances power and portability. However, its compact size means the dustbin capacity is smaller than some of the other vacuums on this list, so you'll need to empty it more frequently. This handheld vacuum is ideal for car owners, office spaces, and quick touch-ups at home. It excels at picking up fine debris, but it might struggle with larger particles or extensive pet hair. Pros include its powerful suction, lightweight design, and LED light, while cons are the limited dustbin capacity and the lack of pricing transparency. If portability and power are your top priorities, this vacuum is worth considering. At number 3, we have the BISSELL Pet Hair Eraser Cordless Hand Vacuum. Priced at $79.95, this vacuum is designed specifically for pet owners, making it a fantastic mid-range option. It comes with a range of attachments, including an upholstery tool, a brush tool, and a crevice tool, which makes it versatile for tackling pet hair, dirt, and debris on a variety of surfaces. The design is ergonomic and easy to hold, and the build quality feels sturdy. The easy empty dirt bin is another highlight, allowing for quick disposal without getting your hands dirty. It's powered by a lithium-ion battery that provides solid runtime, though not the best on this list. While it's not the lightest vacuum, the weight is well balanced, so it doesn't feel cumbersome during use. Performance-wise, the Pet Hair Eraser lives up to its name, excelling at removing pet hair from furniture and carpets. It's not quite as powerful as higher-end models, but it does a great job for the price range. Pros include its pet-focused design, multiple attachments, and ease of use, while cons are its slightly heavier build and shorter runtime compared to premium models. If you're a pet owner looking for a reliable handheld vacuum, this is a strong contender. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Car Vacuum Portable Cordless, boasting an impressive 30,000 PA suction power. This vacuum is a beast when it comes to raw power, making it perfect for deep cleaning both at home and in your car. With 10 included nozzles, it's highly versatile and capable of tackling a wide variety of cleaning tasks, from tight crevices to larger areas. The design is practical and durable, with a rubber paint finish that offers a comfortable grip and added durability. The 6,800 mAh battery provides excellent runtime, allowing you to clean multiple areas without needing a recharge. While the price isn't listed, it's clear that this vacuum is positioned to compete with premium options. However, its power and versatility come at the cost of added weight. And it's not the lightest option on this list. This vacuum is ideal for those who need both power and flexibility, whether you're cleaning pet hair, car interiors, or household messes. Pros include its powerful suction, long battery life, and wide range of nozzles, while cons are its heavier build and potentially higher price point. For those who need professional-grade cleaning performance, this one is hard to beat. Finally, at number 1, we have the Shark Pet Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This is the most premium option on our list, priced at $179.99, but it's worth every penny if you're looking for top-notch performance and versatility. With 40 minutes of runtime, LED headlights, and specialized tools for pet hair, this vacuum is a powerhouse designed to handle anything you throw at it. The design is sleek and modern, with a detachable handheld component that adds convenience for quick cleanups. The build quality is excellent, and the vacuum feels sturdy yet lightweight. The LED headlights are a thoughtful touch, making it easier to spot hidden debris in darker areas. The included crevice tool and pet multi-tool ensure that you can handle pet hair, crumbs, and dirt on both carpets and hard floors alike. In terms of performance, the Shark Pet Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is unmatched, delivering powerful suction and excellent runtime. It's perfect for pet owners, families, and anyone who values a premium cleaning experience. Pros include its powerful performance, long runtime, and versatile attachments, while the only real con is its higher price. If you're ready to invest in the best handheld vacuum on the market, the Shark iX141 is the one to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this comprehensive review helpful. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments which handheld vacuum stood out to you, or if you have any questions about these products. I'll see you in the next one.